Which one of these medical tools should we go with? Aha! Here it is!
I jumped in the bathtub, it's time to get up.
Hello, can you examine me?
Okay, please lie down on the bed.
Okay.
You have a very high fever. Oh no, that looks scary.
Which one of these medical tools should we go with? Aha! Here it is!
Now I will cure you.
We should try a medical syringe.
Thank you, Dr. Pink Rabbit.
Nothing, goodbye.
Bye.
Don't cry! I'm a doctor! What's wrong with you?
Help! I got hit by a car!
Oh my god! I'm coming right away! I'm a doctor. What's wrong with you?
Help! I got hit by a car!
Oh my god! I'm coming right away! I think we need to check the patient's temperature. Try using this. Take this and check her leg. Okay, time to take your meds.
Do you feel better now? I'm fine, thank you.
Huh? What?
Oh
Oh my god!
Hello, I'm Dr. TAMAN. How can I help you today?
Help me! I got pecked on the bottom by a flock of chickens.
Okay, I'm coming right now.
A few moments later.
Let's unbox with me.
Whoa!
All essential medical equipment has been prepared. Let's begin the treatment.
Okay.
Next, let's check my heartbeat.
Okay.
Please record the condition in my medical record.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
We need to give a pain relief shot before starting intensive treatment.
Yes, sir.
use the medical hammer. Hello, I'm Dr. TAMAN. How can I help you today?
Help me. I have a head injury.
Okay, I'm coming right now. We need additional medical equipment.
Wow!
Use the magnifying glass to check the wound.
Okay.
We need to check if JJ has a fever.
Now what? Oh no!
JJ has a fever. Quick, give him the fever shot.
Yes, sir! What is this? Okay.
Okay, let's use it to examine the surface of the wound.
Wow! Wow! Oh!
Let's use the medical hammer.